So I'm going to show you my 2017 firework stash. So let's get into it. We got 2 packs of TNT firecrackers. Then we got two packs of Black Cat bottle rockets. 1 pack has been opened. Then we got some TNT Moon Travelers. And then we have some flashing fountains. TNT. Everything here is TNT, guys, besides Black Cat. We got some TNT ground blasters. And then we got some ground blooming flowers. And we got some ruby poppings. I'm pretty sure this is kind of like Roman candles or something. I don't know, guys. I don't know.
Hey, you know this is not what these do.
We got a TNT Wildcat. It explodes like that. Then we got 4 artillery shells, or 4 I don't know how to say that, guys. It's a display kit. Sorted, yes. Then we got one of these same thing as that. Sit on the package because people are stupid. You know what I'm saying, guys. Then we got some Canon brand. I guess this ain't the best brand, guys, but M88s. Then we got some Green Stars Barrage, a TNT Pinata Buster. Oh yeah, guys, we got the big deal. We got the Golden Stars Barrage. Then we got TNT Mr. Crackle. We got the Pyro Fan by TNT. All these have glow fuses, by the way.
We got the.
We got TNT 50-shot Saturn missiles. And then we got some 7-card stud. It's 7 shots. Then we got the real deal 6 shots. This is an excellent firework, guys. Then we got the combustion chamber. It's a fountain. TNT. TNT Ready exclusive. Yeah, like I said, everything's TNT.
They're all exclusive fireworks in the pack.
Then we got some TNT Festival Ball 6 assorted display shells. We got some TNT artillery shell with comet tail. I don't know what that means, guys. 6 assorted, exclusive. But there's that, what they do, I guess. I don't know. Then we got TNT Blazing Skies. I hope this is a good firework, guys. Then we got the Monster Maniac. He's a very heavy feller. He's 10 shots, TNT. That is my 2017 fireworks stash.